Greetings of the day, folks. Today, I'm going to give you a special announcement about a new English medium online batch which we are going to start from 21st June onwards. Coming to the selections of our Sridhar CC Institute from 2016 to 2020, we have got nearly 11,432 selections. And if you want to avail the entire list of these 11,432 candidates who have been selected in various competitive examinations related to public sector. You can avail these from two sources. One is our official Facebook page. So just visit the Facebook and type Sridhar CCE. You will get official Facebook page. There you can see the entire list of 11,432 candidates. And apart from that, you can avail this source. You can avail this information from our website also, that is www.sridharcce.com. And coming to the selections of 2019, in 2019 we have got nearly 3,599 final selections, and these results also include various competitive examinations like IBPS clerk and PO, SBI clerk and PO, RRB clerk and PO, and LIC assistant and ADO. And coming to the selections of 2020, here I need to discuss a point related to pandemic, because in 2020 we were unable to provide offline courses, and since March 2020 we were in complete lockdown, and in that lockdown period we have provided online courses for students who have been aspirants of different competitive examinations. And this is the tremendous and unexpected result we got through online coaching itself. So through online coaching in SBI clerk we got nearly 423 selections, and apart from SBI clerk we have given a good result in SBI PO, RRB scale 2, IBPS RRB PO, IBPS clerk, and EPFO, LIC assistant, IBPS PO, and RRB clerk also. And all these results are completely based on online exams, online coaching only in the year 2020. And coming to what are the subjects we are going to cover in this batch. See, normally these subjects are not limited to this particular batch, but people who are going to give competitive examinations for the first time, you can understand the importance of these subjects, because these are the general and common subjects which we come across in any competitive examination. Those are reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, current affairs, computer awareness, and banking awareness. In this online batch, we are going to divide the entire course modules into two types. One is basic level and second one is advanced level. I'll discuss what is basic and advanced in the next slides. And coming to what are the examinations I can give if I learn these languages or these subjects. And apart from this, people again who are taking the competitive examinations for the first time, or who are thinking to take any competitive examinations for the first time, for your reference we are telling you that all these are the examinations which you can apply and which you can try by learning all these subjects through our English medium batch. Okay, so what are those? Just like IBPS clerk, PO and SO, SBA clerk, PO and SO, EPFO exams, FCI exams, all insurance related exams, RBI assistant, RRB assistant, and RRB scale 1 also. So for all these competitive examinations, these are just like general subjects. So if you attend this batch, even people who are writing for the first time of competitive examinations, you can avail all these facilities to write all the examinations which you are seeing now. And coming to, yeah, this is all what we are going to discuss now, that is duration. So nearly we are getting two types of levels here, that is two levels of courses we are going here, basic level and advanced level. And only content itself we are giving 450 plus hours. So this is not a small amount. In 450 plus hours we are going to give you both basic level and advanced level materials. And what is this basic level and advanced level? Basic level mainly focuses on prelims examinations, whereas advanced level mainly focuses on mains examinations. So people who are going to give examinations, they no need to go for separate batches or something for mains examinations. You can avail the entire benefits, you can avail the entire material for both prelims and mains examinations through this batch only. And medium of teaching, so actually this batch is completely based on English medium. And the PDF material also you can download from our website whatever we teach in classes, whatever the content we are providing, you will be able to get all those in PDF files, and of course all those PDF files will be in English medium only. And coming to topic wise test, apart from 450 plus hours of content teaching, we are going to give you additional 150 plus hours based on topic wise test. And apart from topic wise test, one more point here, we already know that for prelims examinations getting qualified is enough, but for mains examinations you need to score good marks. So in order to give you a better score in examinations, we are mainly focusing on quantitative aptitude and general English a little bit more. So because of that, in quantitative aptitude and general English, for each and every topic, depending on the weightage in the given examinations, you are going to get 150 to 200 plus additional or extra questions for each and every topic, especially in two subjects, that is quantitative aptitude and general English. Okay, and apart from topic wise test, we are going to give you explanations also, not only classes, we are also providing explanations for all the examinations that have been given in this course duration. And what is the course duration? Here we have mainly two types of course durations, that is 6 months duration and 12 months duration. In 6 months duration, whatever the benefits we have discussed till now, all you are going to get. And apart from that, you are going to get each and every Wednesday you are going to get one preliminary examination, and every second Sunday and fourth Sunday you are going to get one mains examination. And all the videos will be available in your portal for all this 6 months duration, and you can watch any number of times till you get the grip of that particular topic. You can watch any number of times the videos available in your portal. And if it is for 12 months duration, for 12 months duration you are going to get one additional benefit, that is all the printed material, that is hard copy of our material, will be delivered at your doorstep. And second one is you are going to get the same as prelims exam you are going to get on every Wednesday, and mains exam you are going to get on every second Sunday and fourth Sunday. And apart from that, you are going to get again the content for all the 24 months in your portal. You can watch any number of times till you get the grip of the particular topic. And coming to the printed material, we have totally 10 books in this. 7 books will come under the basic level and 3 books will come under the advanced level. People who opt for 12 months duration, they are going to get the printed material at their doorsteps of these all these 10 materials. Okay, and coming to faculty, you people already know that we have an adapted team of faculty in Sridhar CCE. So these are the people who are going to teach you quantitative aptitude: Srinivas Rao sir, Ramakrishna sir, Kotireddy sir, Ravinder Reddy sir, Shashikala ma'am, and Sudhir sir. And coming to reasoning faculty, we have senior most sir Sesi sir and Prithvi sir, Sivakrishna sir, and Babaji sir. Coming to English section, we have Murthy sir, Naresh sir, KPB sir, and Likita ma'am, of course that is me. And for banking, we have senior most sir, that is Raghu sir and Mubin sir. And for current affairs, we have Reshma ma'am. And if you want to buy this batch, you can visit the website www.sridharcce.com. There click on the button called purchase, and on purchase you will see online course. If you click on online course, you will get one option called batch and purchase. If you want to opt for this English medium batch, click on batch 20, and once you click on batch 20, it will ask you to register yourself. So first register yourself and then login, and after login you can proceed for payment. Coming to validity of this batch, so generally we are going to start this batch from 21st June onwards, but if you buy the batch prior to 21st June, the batch count will be started from 21st June only. And if you buy after 21st June, no need to bother, you are not going to get any loss here, because after 21st June, you are if you have bought the batch on 25th June, then if you have opted for 6 months duration, the 6 months will be counted from 25th June only. And if you have opted for 12 months duration, the start date will be counted from 25th June only. So whenever you buy the batch, the date will be counted as the first day. Okay, and apart from these facilities, we are providing one more facility, that is that thing is here. In this 6 months duration or in this 12 months duration, if there is any competitive examinations you need to attend, or if there is any competitive examination, prelims or mains examination, apart from the committed content and apart from the committed examinations, you are going to get additionally 15 to 20 tests along with explanations. And suppose is there any selection for you, means if you have got selected in prelims exam, then you are going to get the same additional test, bonus test, we can say these are bonus test because you are getting it completely for free. So this bonus test, it will cover your mains examination, and if there is any interview that you are going to attend after joining in the 6 months duration or 12 months duration, you are also going to that interview also for free. That is, we are providing bonus tests for prelims and mains examinations in this 6 months or 12 months duration if you have got selected in any of the examinations. Okay, so these are the benefits we are providing you in this particular online batch. And apart from this, if you have any doubts regarding this batch, you can reach us at 950443333 and 7569447777. You can also email us at online.sridharcce@gmail.com. Thank you.